So here we have a cabinet, and it was here when we purchased the place. It's a metal cabinet. I have the doors open right now, but it's a lightweight metal cabinet, and there is some rust inside on some of the shelves, but not too bad. The worst part was the bottom. You can see this is rusted right out. The back was pretty much gone. So what I decided to do was, at first we were going to get rid of them, and the more I thought about it, I thought, well, you know what, I could fix that, make it useful, and it won't be bad. So what I did was I put this board on here, screwed in from the inside with the metal screws that I took out of the metal pipe that I didn't like. So repurposing them, they're working great. And I just put this one on, and now it's getting solid. So what I'm going to do is flip it over, do the other side here, and then I'm going to put a full base on it, wood base. This will give it a little bit more weight on the bottom, and it'll repair this. Now on the inside, I may even then put some boards on the inside to cover this up on the inside too. But I just wanted to show you what it was like before I started, and then we'll show you what it's like afterwards. So here we are, looking good, and let's get back to work. A little bit more time tonight, and then I'm going to be off to some other stuff.